Please subscribe, Myong Berceros TV. Davaoeno Lefty sharpshooter and Gilas Pilipinas member Allyn Bulandi has made good use his time of being stuck in Metro Manila due to the ongoing community quarantine in view of the COVID-19. Bulandi, a former high school basketball varsity player of Assumption College of Davao Warriors, has used his time to do some charity works to help the frontliners and homeless in Metro Manila. The left-handed shooter coming from the San Sebastian Tugs and the National Athletic Association has decided to sell his number 5 Brazilian steel jersey to help the frontliners and homeless affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. For every amount spent on this jersey will be converted to food, drinks, and personal protective equipments, gloves, masks, face shield, and suits to our dear frontliners and homeless kababayans, Bulandi said in his Facebook post. The selling of his Marlica Pilipinas Basketball League jersey is the third charity work the PBA, Lefty, and Gilas Pilipinas member has done for those affected by the COVID-19 crisis. After doing some charity work to celebrate his 23rd birthday, Bulandi also used the 5,000 that the city government of Davao sent him to help frontliners and homeless in Metro Manila. In this time of COVID-19 crisis, the city government of Davao is sending financial aid to its residents around the country. The hot shooting guard said that at the moment he had no intention to go back to Davao by a sweeper flight, but just have to wait for the time the COVID-19 situation normalizes. I won't expect for a sweeper free flights back home kahit miss ko na pamilya ko dahil mas marami pang standard dito at hirap sa buhay. Mas kailangan nila makauwi sa pamilya nila. I'm willing to wait until the situation clears up, he said. It can be recalled that in celebration of his birthday, this year, Bulandi donated food and water to frontliners manning quarantine checkpoint different parts of Metro Manila on April 21, 2 days before his birthday. Bulandi was drafted fourth by the Alaska Aces in a PBA draft, said it has always been his dream to help his people and he's happy to finally able to do so. He also took time to thank frontliners for continuing to offer service despite the condition they have to put themselves